What is up, YouTube family? It's your boy Garrett back with another video. In today's video, it is Nike weekend, so they are doing a sale. Spend $175, get $50 off. So it's essentially like 30% off. So we're going to be hitting up a bunch of Nike stores, taking advantage of that. Trying to go in multiple times to buy a lot more shoes than we're probably supposed to, but we'll see what happens. But first, I have some eBay orders to ship. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what I sold on eBay. I do sell some sneakers like without the box tops on eBay and off of Amazon. All the stuff with full boxes for the most part I sell on Amazon. But yeah, let's get right into it. So these are the first two pairs we are shipping out. Sold them both for $130, paid $59. They're the KD's Sunset Editions, both size 10.5. They both sold last evening. So I'm gonna get these shipped out. About $50 profit each on these. Next pair I sold were these Air Max Evos. These weren't the best pickup. Been sitting on them for a long time and I only made like 25, 30 bucks, but hey, I'll take it all day. Next pair I sold were these Nike Super Fly 8 Elite soccer cleats. Paid $69 on them and sold them for $129 plus shipping, so made about $40-ish, somewhere around there. These sold within like a couple weeks, so not a bad flip right here. Last and final pair I sold were these Nike Air Zoom Alpha Fly Next Percentages. Picked these up for $100, sold them for $159 plus shipping, so probably made about 45 bucks profit on these guys right here. Now that we're done shipping out our eBay packages, time to start hitting up some of these outlets. It started on Thursday. Today's Friday. I went yesterday, got about 15 pairs. I had a couple people with me. We were just shopping. And I was like, I need you guys to buy 5 pairs of these. We got some Nike Epic Reacts for $39.97. Current price on Amazon, they're all selling for $150 plus. So I'm going to head back there, pick up 5 more pairs, run to Converse, pick up 5 pairs, and then we're going to head to the farther outlets and start making our rounds. Hopefully we can get 100 plus pairs today. So let's go. All right, quick stop at this first outlet, hit up Nike and Converse again. Wasn't expecting much. I already knew exactly which shoes from yesterday that I was gonna get, so I was here for like 10 minutes, in and out. Picked up 5 pairs of these Nike Epic Reacts for $39.97 each after the $50 off $175. These are going right now for $150 plus on Amazon. Likely other outlets in the country got these, so prices will probably tank, but for 40 bucks, even if you sold them for $89, you're making $20 plus a pair. So I'm loading up on those and they sell extremely well. Next at Converse, picked up these maroon, just Converse. Picked them up for $24.99. All clearance sneakers at Converse right now are $24.99. Picked up 5 pairs of these yesterday, another 5 pairs today. They're all selling in all sizes for $100 to $110. So 25 sell for $110. Pretty cool. And I like Converse. Summer's coming up, so I might honestly keep a pair for myself for 25 bucks. You can't really go wrong with that. So 10 pairs. And after I hit the other outlet, I'm going to come back here later this evening when the new shift comes back on, so they don't know I've already been here. So we'll probably get another 10 pairs from here. But yeah, let's head on to Scottsdale, hit up that Nike. They usually let me buy as much as I want there. Not sure with this type of sale. My buddy that I talked to there, he said they'll likely just let me keep going in and out. So we'll see how that goes. So let's head on over there. All right, guys, first trip into this Nike, we picked up quite a few pairs. I mean, we got some pretty good stuff. And the cool thing is, guys, like the people at this Nike, for whatever reason, are like so chill. Like I wasn't planning on doing multiple transactions like one after another to keep getting 50 off 175, but they said, hey, do you want to split this up into multiple transactions? I was like, hell yeah. So we got some pretty good steals here. I mean, like just these were on clearance for $29.97. So you're talking plus another 30% off. Like some of these shoes I'm picking up for like $14, $15. I was only able to carry about 20 pairs out. Because I don't know, Nike for some reason has this rule, you can't like stack stuff in the store, you have to carry it. I don't know why, but so I think I'm gonna head on back in there and see if I can get 10 more pairs, and then we're gonna head to the next location. Let's go. Alrighty guys, just finished up the day of sourcing. Got a pretty good amount of shoes, tons of Nike. These were a good deal. I ended up paying like $16 for these, like after the discount, because they're on clearance for $21.97. We got a ton of these. Let me flip the camera around. We got some of these Pegasus. They were $50 on clearance, plus the discount. So we paid around like 36 bucks on those, 5 pairs of those. What else did we get here? Some Nike Epic Reacts for under 40 bucks. Torches. We got some Converse. Got a ton of these Converse actually. Paying 25 bucks a piece, going for 100. We got some Epic Reacts. We got some high top Converse over here. Got some old grandpa fart shoes. Got some Reeboks. So overall, not a bad day of sourcing. Definitely got a good amount of inventory. So depending on how long this video is, I don't think it's too long. I'm going to go back out again tomorrow and buy more stuff. So I'll just go ahead and film that and see what more we can find. Essentially, this is what we ended up with from the 2 days of Nike sourcing. Got some Reeboks as well, some Converse back there. Close to about 180 pairs of shoes right here. But I'm gonna head out and hit a couple stores. I have my person coming that's gonna prep all this stuff for me that works for me. So that's going to be nice. So after they get done prepping everything into Inventory Lab, I'll go ahead and show you guys kind of the breakdown, the numbers, and what we're working with there. Alrighty guys, so everything is prepped up, ready to go. Let me show you guys some of the numbers here. As you can see, we got a little split shipment, which is kind of annoying. So the first one, 141 pairs, 18,000 sales value, buy cost 5,400, potential net profit 9,300. Some of these shoes are selling for a ridiculous amount. We'll see if it lasts. Likely prices will tank. And then this last just 2 pairs, $189, buy cost 55 profit. So that is what we are working with. All I have to do now is essentially pack these up, schedule a pickup with UPS, and have them sent off to Amazon. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. If you like this type of content, let me know down in the comments. Also, be sure to join the family and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.